welcome back to another video in the powerhouse. For today I'm gonna be replacing the rear main seal, putting the flywheel, putting the clutch, putting the transmission to the motor, making it a complete swap, and if we have time, put it in the car. Let's see how far we can get today. Okay, so I just removed the old rear main seal. Here's the new one. That one from Honda. Here's the part number. You can see it. Now let's put this on. So I got the rear main seal on. It's flat, it's flush all the way around. Now time for the flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, and then the transmission. So I put some of the bolts in, but I forgot to put some Loctite. Definitely want to put some Loctite on flywheel bolts and pressure plate. Just a little dab. Just a little dab. Okay, so I got the clutch in. Now it's time for the pressure plate. I got some ARP bolts for the pressure plate. Okay, so here's how the clutch goes. Flat part on the side of the flywheel, the hump part on the side of the pressure plate. So let's get to it. We're almost there. Here's a quick update. Pressure plate is on. Oh, failed. And then it was complete. So I put the bolt that goes here. I gotta tighten this one up still. This one, got this one on, got this one on. The one that goes back here, all I'm missing right now is the one in the bottom. And yeah, she's coming along. She is coming along. Next is put the half shaft. Put the half shaft on. And let's see if we can get it in the car. Half shaft is on. Alright, so I just finished washing the bay. Finished pushing it back into the garage. Let me move the four-wheeler. I need more space. Got too much crap here. But here's my rim for my semis that's coming in soon. Clutch, I still gotta order it. But yeah, it's coming along. Let's make some more progress with the EM1. I got the car in the garage now. Now it's time to take out the wheels, jack it up, and go from there. I'm putting the swap in through the bottom. I have no engine hoist, so we'll see how this goes. I'll let you know in a few. Here's a quick update. I had to take off the rear bumper so the swap could fit right through. Not a problem. All I did was jack it up from the bottom. So let me just finish pushing it through, and there you go, the swap is in. Now let me just readjust it, and let me go down with the car. Alright, so quick update. I got the tranny all bolted up, almost tight. I still gotta tighten it. And now I'm doing the post mount. I'll do the T-bracket after, but the swap is almost in. Oh, it's looking good, it's looking good. Alright, so the swap right now got the post mount, and they got the tranny side. I'm still missing the T-bracket, but as you can see, she is Gucci. Let me put the other tire on, let me roll it back, because I have to go run some errands real quick. But yeah, she is good. She is, the swap is in. Now it's just little miscellaneous things, plug here and there, hoses, put the radiator back on, the condenser, and we should be good. She's almost there. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.